So for the DDL command, we have discussed about the create command, drop command, alter command. All the definitions we have discussed, syntax we have seen. We have created a multiple table. We have done all the drop command as well as alter command, add a new column, rename a column and table, delete a column, change data type and length. All these things we have already done in the last class. So today we are going to do today we are going to see truncate command. So just go through this truncate command, read once, try to understand what it is showing, and then I'll explain. Okay, guys. So what is this truncate command? No? What truncate command will do? So truncate command will use to delete all the rows from the table. Truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table. So the moment you will use truncate table name, so any table which is having data, any table which is having data, only data will be deleted. Only data will be deleted, but table structure will remain same. When you will use truncate command, what will happen? Only table data will be deleted, but only table data will be deleted, but table structure, the columns name and all will be remain same only. The column name and all will remain same. So this is what the truncate command. So I'll show you practically what it means. Truncate command is delete all the data from a table. Truncate command delete all the data. Whatever the rows you have now, it will delete whole table data. Whole table data it will delete in one shot only, but table structure will remain same. Table structure like column name, data type and all, it will be remain same. But table data will be deleted. Truncate command is faster. Truncate command is faster. Means what? When you run a truncate table name, whether it's 1 million or 10 million record will be there, those deletion of the column record will be, the deletion of the table data will be faster as compared to delete command. We'll see that delete command also in sometimes, but as of now, you can consider that truncate command, deletion of the data using truncate command is faster. We'll see in a database. Hope everyone install the software. If anyone is facing problem for the installation, let me know. We'll help you. And your group discussion will start. Your group discussions will start from maybe once we'll complete SQL, then your group discussions will start. Now, if you see here, we have some data, some tables are there. So in that data will be there. Let me show you some of the tables where the data is there. Select a star from table A. Let me show you some data will be there in this A. There's nothing is there. ABC. Batch 39 backup employees, car part countries, department name, PMP child, employee, ministry. Why all tables are empty? Okay. Now, if you see here, we have some data here. We have some data in X table. So we have created X table in batch 40. So in that, we are able to see some data and ID is the column. So if you see here data and the structure of this X table is, now see, this is the structure of this table. The moment we will run truncate command, the moment we'll run the truncate command, truncate table and X, it will delete whole table data. This data will be removed, but structure will remain same. This data will be removed. This data will be removed, but the structure will remain same. Structure will be same only, but data will be deleted. Now see here, this table X is truncated. Now see the data. We table data is deleted. And it's permanent. DDL command, it's a permanent. The moment you will run it, it will be deleted permanently. Then you see here a structure. A structure remains same. The structure remains same. Same thing. Let's try with the XYZ table. Do we have XYZ table? Yeah, some data is there in XYZ table. So the moment we will run truncate table XYZ, truncate table XYZ, and we have some structure also. And there are two columns. There are two columns in XYZ. There are two columns in XYZ. The moment you will run truncate table XYZ, whole table data will be deleted. Whole table data will be deleted and table structure will remain same. Table structure, whatever you see two columns, it will remain same. Now run and then see. Table XYZ truncated, but your data is gone. Your data is gone, but your table structure remains same. Table structure means column name, data type, and length. You are able to see it. So like this truncate command works, guys. Like this truncate command works. Okay. Next one. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Easy? Easy, everyone?
Yes.
Any doubt? Let me know. Please don't hesitate to ask your questions. If, how much you will ask, that much faster you will get the knowledge. Now read this one. One lady, she informed me 2 days back that she got she reached one company, she got offer letter, and another company she reached till HR discussion. So I have not get update. I have not asked also. So once I'll get the update, I'll share and I'll tell her to guide you all to come in the class and tell about her preparation so that you also get the idea. So there are lots of people. I'm not able to track everyone who are getting place and all. So whoever is coming and informing by their own, I'm just making a note or like we'll try to call them in the class. Okay, so now we'll start with your DML command. Now we'll start with your DML command. This document's already there, already shared in the the software installation part only. You already have those documents. So if anyone does not have, you can raise your hand in the. Let me know. You can come on you can unmute yourself and then you can ask your question. If you don't have this practice document. Already I have given the software installation things. In that already I gave the already I gave the what is that? Not batch 40.
Hello,
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
sir. This is Bhupendra here.
Yeah, Bhupendra. I'll give you message
And
me.
okay, okay.
And guys, I'll upload all the recording into the drive with a document. So you have to share your mail ID so that I can give everyone access to the drive. Whoever want drive access, like your recording will be stored here in this batch. So you can share your mail ID, new folder like SQL recording. And I'll upload all the recordings here as well as the practice document also here. Okay, and then interview questions also will upload. Not now, once the batch will be formed, then scenario based question. Company asked questions also will be there in this. So everything I'll update it today and then accordingly you can uh, get the access and then you can refer it and practice it. Okay guys, so now I was discussing about the DDL command. So DDL command is over. So next is the DML command, guys. Next one is the DML command. So in DML command, what are the questions, what are the topics we are going to discuss? What is DML command? Insert command, update command, delete command. Anyone is having any doubt?
Oh, I have a doubt. In that question list, I could see that why the truncate command is faster than that of delete command.
We'll
So what
explain
my
you. See, we have why truncate is faster. We are going to discuss over here. Okay, so
okay,
just
sure.
hold on, and then I'll explain you that one. Okay, now DML command. DML command, we are going to discuss about the what is DML command, insert command, update command, delete command, working example of insert, update, and delete command, difference between truncate and delete command, difference between truncate, delete command, and drop command. All these things is interview, like interview perspective, it's all are important. You may expect one questions at least from this topic. One questions from this topic definitely you're gonna expect in the interview. Whether they will ask you what is update command, or they may ask you what is delete command, or they may ask you give me like what is the difference between truncate delete, like that they may ask you. Excuse me, guys. So what is DML command? What is DML command? So DML command is nothing but DML stands for data manipulation language. DML stands for data manipulation language. List of DML command are insert, update, and delete. Insert, update, and delete. Insert, update, and delete. DML command is stand for data manipulation language. And inside the DML command, insert, update, and delete command will come. Inside the DML command, insert, update, and delete. Insert, update, and delete will come. So what insert command will do? How to insert a new record? You will be able to do it using insert command. Update command will work when you want to update any record, existing record from any of the table. Then you are gonna work on the when you are gonna do update command. Like you have a table, XYZ table, in that 10 records are there, and any record, like you want to convert Jain to Jay, or you want to change the designation from Kumar to Singh. Like that, you will be able to use update command. Delete command, if any particular row you want to delete, then you are gonna use delete command. So DML are not auto committed command. DML are not auto committed command. Means what, guys? Very important point. DML are not auto committed command. Means what? If you want to save the changes, in DML come in the you after using DML command, whether it's insert, update, and delete. Once you perform DML command, insert, update, and delete, if you want to save the changes, then you have to save it manually. Like you have to run commit command to save the changes. Okay. Otherwise, like in DTL command, we have seen that the moment we were running any of the DTL command, like create, alter, drop, truncate, it is saving it permanently into the database. Like whether you truncate or whether you alter command, it will be saved permanently into the database as it is. DDL command is auto committed commands, but DML command is not auto committed command. But DML command is not auto committed command, guys. If you want to save the changes, if you have to save the changes, whatever query performed, then you have to run commit command. You have to run commit command. Okay. And if you can do rollback also after performing DML command, you can perform rollback also. You can perform rollback also. What it means, if you want to, if you want to revert back the changes, then you can use rollback, and then it will be your data will be in a back in position. So whatever the command, whatever the query you run, and you have made it changes to the table, and you want to revert it back, you can run the rollback, and it will be back. We'll show you that one to know what is in that case. So this part we'll discuss more in detail after performing DML command. Okay. Now you read this insert command, guys, and then we'll explain you properly how to insert new record into existing table. Okay, guys. So now if you see here, insert command. What it means by insert command. So last class we have seen that how to create a new table using create command. So we have seen that we have created few tables also. So we have seen that how to create a new tables using create command, and we have not inserted any record. So now when we want to insert a new record, we want to insert a new record into existing table. You have created XYZ table and you want to insert a data, or you want to insert the data. Then what you're gonna do? You're going to use insert command. So there are two syntax in insert command. There are two syntax in insert command. There are two syntax in insert command. The insert statement is used to insert one or more record into a table. The insert statement is used to insert one or more record into a table. So first syntax, it is saying that insert into table name values, value 1, value 2, value 3, and n number of values. Okay. So when this will be applicable, this syntax, when it will be applicable, consider that you have created XYZ table. And in that, you have added 10 columns, XYZ table, and you have added 10 columns, and you want to insert all the 10 columns value. You want to insert values for all the 10 columns. You want to insert values for all the 10 columns. In that case, what will happen? You're going to use the first syntax. You're going to use the first syntax. Out of 10 columns, you want to insert all the values for all the columns. Means what? You're not going to leave any single column, and you're going to insert values in all the 10 columns. In that case, you're going to use first syntax. If you want to insert another syntax is saying that insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3, and number of columns you can mention here, and then values, value 1, value 2, value 3. So what second syntax is saying that out of 10 columns, consider that you have created XYZ table and you have added 10 columns. Out of 10 columns, if you have to insert only 4 columns record, if you have to insert values for only 4 columns or 5 columns, then you must have to mention the which are the columns you want to insert the values. Which are the columns you want to insert the values. Like you have created XYZ table. In XYZ table, you have added 5 columns. In XYZ table, you have added 5 columns. Out of 5 columns, you want to insert data in 3 columns only. You want to insert the data in 3 columns only out of 5 columns in the XYZ table. Then you have to mention what are the columns you want to insert the data. What are the columns you want to insert the data? Those column name you have to mention. Okay, and corresponding columns value you have to mention. Okay, if you will not mention the column name for limited column, then it will throw error. So this is what we are gonna see as a practically. So how we are gonna see? So we have some query for that. If I'll be writing this much of queries, no, it will take more time, and then your course completion will be faster, slower. Few people will tell how will you complete all these things together in 2 months or less than 2 months. Then I don't have to write the things in each and every part. Like some of the part I write, but some of the part I have created that query, so that only it's making my life easy. So if you see here, I'm going to create a table called persons table. I'm going to create a table called persons table. In this persons table, we have PID, first name, last name, country, and city columns are there. So in this persons table, we have 5 columns. 5 columns. One, PID, second, first name, third, first name, last name, fourth, country, and fifth, city. All these tables, you know how to create a you know how to create a table. So we are going to create a table called persons, PID, first name, last name, and then city is the column we are going to create. So this table is already there. So what we have to do, we have to delete a previous table. This persons table is already there. So we have to delete the persons table earlier. So how can we delete the table, guys? Can you please tell me the syntax? I want to delete persons table permanently.
Drop command.
Drop table.
Table name.
Perfect, guys. So like this, we'll delete the table first, brush it out, and create this table with 5 columns. There are 5 columns in this persons table. Let's see the structure of this table. DSC persons will give you the structure of this table. So there are 5 columns are there, and then we have you. If you want to see the data, then you are gonna write a select star from persons table, which will give you the how many records are there. So till now we have not inserted any single record. So you see here 0 record. Now my first syntax is saying that I want to insert values for all the columns. I want to insert values for all the columns means this syntax will work. Insert into table name values, value 1, value 2, value 3, all the 5 columns value you have to mention. Okay, like if you see here, we are inserting the value. Insert into table name, and then we have mentioned the column name. All 5 column name we have mentioned, and the values 01 Jayant Kumar, India, Bangalore we have mentioned. Now, if you want to remove this, if you want, you can keep this column name, and if you don't want, remove it. Because all the 5 columns we are inserting the values. So what are the 5 columns you have? You have a PID, first name, last name, country, and city. So all the 5 columns when you are inserting the values, if all the 5 columns when you are inserting the values, that means that you don't need to mention the column name. You don't need to mention the column name. Column name mentioning is not mandatory, but you can mention also. There is no problem, but I don't want to make it complex. So I just mention insert into persons table values, and then these are the columns. Now when you run this, one record inserted, one record inserted. Now see the values, one record inserted. But with the column name also it will work. With the column name also it will work. There is no problem with because if you see here, all the 5 columns we are inserting the values. All the 5 columns we are inserting the values. You can mention the column name here also, or without column name also it will work. You can mention the column name without column name also it will work, because all the 5 columns we are inserting the values, so there is no problem in that. Now, if you see here, one record inserted. If you want to see what are the values we have inserted, so this is the second record just now we have inserted. But without column, with column name also, all 5 columns name also, you can insert the values. One row inserted. Now see, it will work in both the condition. First syntax will work in both the condition. First syntax will work on the both the condition. Now, if you see here, same thing for this all, we'll insert the values. Now see, one record inserted, 2 record inserted, 3 record inserted, because I'm inserting all the 5 columns values. Now, if you see here, it's inserted. But when we come to second syntax, it's saying that insert into table name column 1, column 2, column 3, values, value 1, value 2, value 3. Means what? Out of 5 columns, I want to insert only 3 columns value. Out of 5 columns, I want to insert only 3 columns values. In that case, you must have to mention the column name. You must have to mention the column name. Otherwise, it will throw error. Now, if you see here, we have one record here. Here, 3 columns. Okay. I'm inserting, if you see here, you are inserting 3 columns values. When I remove this column values, you will get error. Now, if I run this, it will throw error. It's saying that not enough values. Not enough values. Means what? We have 5 columns. We have 5 columns in the table and we are inserting 3 columns of values. In that case, we have to mention what are the columns value you want to insert. Mention what are the columns value you want to insert. Like this, you can insert. Now it's got inserted. And what will happen? Other 2 columns which we did not mention, by default, it will be inserted with null values. By default, it will be inserted with null values. Null means what? Null means nothing, no values. Null means no values, it's just empty value. It's just empty value. It is not going to take any memory. When you have inserted null values, when you will not mention anything, null will be introduced here. Null means nothing. Null means nothing, no values. It's just a blank value, guys. It's just a blank value. Okay. Empty value. You can say that empty value. So this is what your insert command. In interview, they will not ask you much on insert command. Whether if you are going for freshers or 1 or 2 years, 3 years of experience, they may ask you. But when you are going 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years of experience, then they are not going to ask you insert command because it's very basic thing. Now you have to refer other things. Any doubt in insert command, anyone?
No.
Okay, then read.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Jay, in previous sessions, we have the alter command. Okay. So that time I try, like if I want to insert value for the newly added column, then how can I add? Means I have created one table. Okay. For example, we can take the persons. Okay. In that, 5 columns are already there. And I also insert the values, one row added. Okay. And then I want to add new column in that. Okay, so using alter command, I added that command. Sorry, I added that column. But after that, if I want to add, sorry, insert new value for that newly added column, then how can I add?
See, different methods are there, but I'll tell you the easy method. And these are
Uh-huh.
the questions they may not ask in interview because you are not going to work on the DDL and DML command. You as a ETL testers, you will not have access to perform any kind of DDL and DML command. But how
Okay.
can you add into after adding the new column using alter command? Then you are gonna use update command. I'll tell you in the
Okay.
next topic is update only. So you can use update command and you can insert how many records you want to insert. What are the values you want to insert? There you can insert using update command.
Okay.
Anyone else? Any doubt? Just read this update command. Yeah, guys. So update command. Now, like we have seen that how to create a table and then how to insert the data. Okay. Now we have a table ready. We have a data also. We have inserted some of the data. Okay. We have inserted some of the data. Now you have the table ready. You have, you have inserted some of the data also. Now, next topic is that I want to update the record. I want to update the record. Now, like I want to change city from Bangalore to Mumbai. I want to change a city from Bangalore to Mumbai. I want to change city from Bangalore to Mumbai. Then we are gonna use update command. I want to change Nick city to Mumbai to New York. Okay, I want to change Simon city from London to Punjab. Like that, if whatever the things if you see here, if you want to update a new values, then we are gonna use update command. Then we are gonna use then we are gonna use update command guys. Then we are gonna use update command. So how can we do that? How can we do that? We have a query ready for that. So what is exactly update command? The SQL update query is used to modify the existing record in a table. You can use where clause with the update query to update the selected row. Otherwise, all the row would be impacted. Okay. So if you want to modify existing record, a selected record, then you're gonna, if you want to modify any of the record, then you're gonna use update command. Okay, update command. But what is the problem here? What is the, uh, things to remember here? You have to remember the where clause. Consider that I want to change this particular rows from Bangalore to Mumbai. Then we have to mention the where condition. We have to apply the filter condition, which row, which value I want to filter out, which row, which values I want to update, that you have to mention. And accordingly, you are gonna change the value from Bangalore to Mumbai. You are gonna change from Bangalore to Mumbai. So if you see here, you can use the where clause with the update query to update the selected row. So if any selected row, if you want to update, consider that I want to change from London to Mumbai. Then you have to mention where PID is equals to 4. Then it will find out the city here, and then it will change from London to Mumbai. Consider that you have not mentioned the where condition. If you have not mentioned the where condition, what will happen? It will update whole column values. It will update whole columns values. If you will not mention, now if you see here, update table name, set column 1 is equals to value 1. Like in this, I'll mention here city is equals to Mumbai. Okay, city is equals to Mumbai, where PID is equals to 4. So what will happen? It will find out the PID is equals to 4, and then wherever the city column is there, it will update from London to Mumbai. But if I will not use where condition, if I'll not use where condition in this one, then it will update whole column value as Mumbai only. Whole column value as a Mumbai only, it will update. Whole column values, it will update as a Mumbai. Okay, so that is the challenge here in update command. If you will not mention where condition, then whole column value will be updated. Otherwise, otherwise, if you'll mention where condition, so selected rows only would be affected. Whatever the column value you want to change, those values only it will update. Now, we'll see practically. No need to be confused. We'll see practically. What is the syntax of update command? We are going to see that update table name set is the keyword. Update table name set column 1 value 1 column 2 value 2 column n value n. So n number of column you can mention here. N number of column you can mention here. Column 1, column 2, column n number of column you can mention here, and which column you want to update, which row you want to update, that you have to mention as a where condition. Based on this only, it will update here. Otherwise, if you will not mention where condition, it will update whole column values. It will update whole column values. Okay, we'll see after this part. After once we'll finish update command, then we'll see what is commit and rollback. Is it fine to take class till 8:15 or 8:30, guys, for today, Friday? How many of you have office in the morning? You have to go. Okay, I feel like you are not muted. Now you will be able to speak.
8:15 is fine.
8:30 will be fine.
8:15.
8:15.
8:15.
Okay, fine. So 7 to 8:15 we'll keep it for the Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday. Once we'll finalize the batch, then we'll keep it 1 hour 45 minutes, sometimes 2 hours for Saturday, Sunday. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it is
everything.
fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Now, if you see here, commit and rollback we'll see in sometimes. Let's first understand update command. We'll first understand update command, and then we'll see your update, commit and rollback after some time. Now, if you see there, I want to see the update command. Now, can you please tell me what will happen? What will happen if we run this query?
The country is set to
the
England
PID.
where the PID is
Yeah.
02.
What will happen exactly?
In the persons table, in the country column, the country is set to England where the PID is 02.
But
Other,
country England, okay.
other people?
PID equal to 0.
Other people?
Only one row is affected by this query.
1 minute. Set
Yeah,
country.
because we added where condition like PID equals to 0 to.
In a purpose
It will
table,
not update, Jay. I guess it will not update because PID is 02. The country is India.
J here in the purpose table, where PID column is 2, for that person, the country is India. We can update with England when we write the update statement. And coming to that city equal to Pune, there we haven't specified any where class. So
We'll
enter
come to
table
that.
data for the city column will be populated to Pune for all the records.
We'll come on the second query later. First, we'll discuss first query. Okay. So just wait for the second query. So first query, let's discuss the first query. Let me know what will happen if I run this query, guys. Other people, exact answer. I want exact answer, guys. Chandra?
Nick Jones, country will be changed to England.
Nick Jones. So how many rows will be affected?
2 rows.
So it will be 2 rows. It will change. If you see here, country like 02 is where, like PID2 is how many columns value. So it will be 2. So what will happen when you run this one, it will go and it will check where is PID2. Okay, PID2 or 2 rows is having PID2. And then in that, it will go to the country column. Okay, country column. So it's India, but I need to change to England. So it will go and it will change 2 columns value from India to England. Now see here. 2 row updated. 2 row updated. So how to find the values here? How to find the data? Select a star from persons. So these are all basic things, guys. But we'll see complex. What are the interview questions they will ask? No, that those complex also we'll see when we'll discuss joins and other things. We'll have the separate session on that. So now your country got updated to England. Okay. So earlier it was India. Earlier it was India. Now it's got changed to England. Guys. Now it's got changed to England. What will happen in this case, guys? Everyone, can you please tell me?
Yeah, entire city row will get affected. That replaced with the Pune because we are not mentioned any condition here.
Sorry, come again.
Entire city row will change to the Pune because we are not specify any condition in the update state.
Like C is correct or not? Like guys, other people, can you confirm?
It should
Correct.
mention a
Yes, it's
column.
correct.
Yes.
It is
City
column,
column,
by city
not the
column.
row.
So C is correct one, correct. Like so what when we have
Yes,
not
city
mentioned where
column.
when we have not mentioned where condition, so what it will happen? It will not find any, like we have not given any filter condition out of the list. Consider we have 1 million recorded there. So we have not given any where condition. So when we don't have given the where condition, then it will go and it will check the city column. Then it will go and it will check the city column. So wherever it will find the city column, so as we have not given any filter condition, it will apply whole city column as Pune. It will update whole city column as Pune. Now see, 7 row updated. 7 row updated. What values got changed? Each and every city value changed to Pune. Because you have not given anywhere condition which row, which value you want to change it. When you have not given where condition, then it will be like this. Okay. So now next one. What will happen here? Can anyone tell me what will happen here, guys?
The For the person with PID 4, the first name is changed to Pratik and the country is changed to India.
Other people, can you try?
Yes, sir, she's saying right. The person with the PID 4, the first name will change to the Pratik and the country will change to the India.
But
That is the Salmon.
yeah, the country is India itself in the existing table. So
Other people?
No, country is England for that PID 04. So it will change to the India.
Only female are participating. What about boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Simon changed to Pratik and England changed to India. It will update.
Okay. So first of
where
all,
we will give the condition of PID equal to 04.
So first it will go and it will check where is the PID 4. Okay, fine. So we got the PID 4. In that it will go and it will change first name from Simon to Pratik, and then it will change country to India. Country, where is country? Country from England to India. Name will be changed from first name Simon to Pratik, and then England to India. It will find out like this. The moment I'll run this, it will be updated. Now one record updated. Now see the values. Simon become Pratik and then England become India. In England become India. What about second like last query, guys?
First, it will go to PI in the person's call in the person's table. It will go to PID is equals to 4. That means it will change in the two rows. Priyanka and Pratik will change into in the last name column. Uh, uh, Priyanka and Pratik would change into Singh, and in the city column, it would change into Punjab.
Okay, perfect. So what will happen in this case? Same method only. It will go and it will find out where PID 4. So PID 4 it will find out. Okay, PID 4 is here. Then it will go and it will change last name from George to Singh, and then city, where is city? City is Pune here, and it will change Pune to Punjab. It will change city Pune to Punjab. Now, if you run this one, it will change to Pratik, last name as a Pratik, and last name as a Singh from George, and then city from Pune to Punjab. Now see, Punjab. Another thing is that I want to update this null value as 6. How can we write it, guys? Null values to 6 I want to update. How can we do that?
Update person set PID equal to 606, where first name equal to Alia.
Okay. So update table. What is the table name? Persons.
Person.
Set PID is equals to
6.
where
Where first name equal
First name.
to Alia.
is it correct? Everyone, is it correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
When I run this one row updated. Now see the value. So it's got changed to 6.
Right, well done.
So this is what your update command is. This is what your update command. So tomorrow we'll discuss about the, after this only, we'll discuss about the commit and rollback. Commit and rollback.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
what we if we like two Alia,
Two Alia? If
so
you
like
have
in
two
first
Alia, then it will update for two Alia 6. If you have two Alia values, then it will update 6. And if you have other values are different, only Alia is two values and other values are different, then you can use a two where condition.
Unique one, yeah.
Where first name is Alia and last name is equals to but or country is equals to USA, you can have it. Got it? Like I'll show you that one.
yes, sir.
Consider that I am mentioning here India. India. Okay, when the moment I'll run, we will have the two values. Two values will have, two values of the Alia will have. Okay, now you have see the null values and we see here India. Okay, so I want to update this one as a 7. I want to update this one as a 7. Then you can write it here. Update person set PID is equals to 7. PID is equals to 7, where first name is Alia and like you can remove this condition also. You can mention here country is equals to India, or you can use the and condition also where country is equals to India. Country is equals to India. One row updated. Now see the values. It's got updated to 7. Got it? Clear? Do practice. Do practice. You have the document. And everyone, please send me your mail ID. I'll upload all the recordings here and then I'll provide you the access. Okay, guys. So we'll meet tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, 7 to 8:30. We'll have class 8:30 or 8:45. And then maybe 7:15 to 8:45 we'll have the 8:30 we'll have the class, or 7 to 8:30. Tomorrow, how many of you have is office, guys? Anyone is having office? Can you raise your hand?
No.
Anyone is having office tomorrow? Srinath is having, Sainath is only one person is having office. What time you leave, Sainath?
10:30.
Then it's fine. No, till 8:45 you can attend. 8:30,
Yes.
8:45 will be fine. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So we'll disconnect now. I don't want to take your more time because many of people has to go to office, and we'll take Saturday, Sunday, 1 hour 45 minutes like that. Okay. So bye everyone. Take care. Share your mail ID. I'll give you the access.